Today we will start with your computer's Icon 10 book and your chapter 8 Internet Services. So you all know about internet. What is the meaning of internet? Internet means when millions and millions of computers are connected together to share some information. So that is internet. And some of the day-to-day important services of internet are like email, online chat, video conference, world wide web, file transfer, internet forum, OneDrive, cloud computing, etc. Now you all know about social networking sites. Social means something which is related to society, and networking is something which is interconnected, and sites are websites. So certain websites which make people connect to each other. So that is social networking. It is the group of individuals into specific groups who, for example, share ideas, activities, events, interests, photos, messages, and videos. So this social networking site website, it functions like an online community of internet users. The best example is, you people know about your Facebook, LinkedIn, and High Five. So what happens here, like different people from different communities and from different parts of the world, they are interconnected to each other. They are, in a way, they are linked to each other, and they are just uh, viewing each other's updates and viewing each other's photographs and videos, and sharing their posting their comments related to that. So this is about social networking site. Then comes is the Twitter and microblogging. Microblogging, it is a new form of communication in which users can describe their status in short posts distributed by small messages, mobile phones, email, digital audio, or web. So microblog, basically blog क्या होता है? Blog is just like a form, a website, टाइप ऑफ वेबसाइट कि जिसमें ऑनलाइन पीपल अपने अपने स्टेटस, अपने अपने कमेंट्स, दे आर जस्ट पोस्टिंग देयर. सो द एग्जाम्पल इज ट्विटर, ट्यूम्बलर, Blurk, Jaiku, etc. You all have heard about Twitter. In Twitter, it is an online social networking site. What happens? People send, post, and receive small text-based text, जिनको हम ट्वीट्स बोलते हैं, और उनकी बिल्कुल ट्वीट्स शॉर्ट साइज़ के टेक्स्ट होते हैं, वो ट्वीट करते हैं उसमें. एंड इसका जो लिमिट है, दैट इज़ about 280 characters, and people are just following each other here. Next is your internet forum. Internet forum means it is a platform where a discussion forum, you can say a discussion area on a website, where people with common interest can communicate in the form of posted messages. Like कोई भी एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, चाहे वो न्यूज़ है, चाहे वो रिलीजियस है, चाहे वो पॉलिटिकल इशू है, या स्पोर्ट्स से रिलेटेड है, तो वो कोई भी टॉपिक है और उस पर लोगों की जो भी व्यूज़ होते हैं, दे कैन पोस्ट देयर views, they can post their comments. And when the application is approved to become a member of the forum, a user is required to register into that particular website. When the application is approved to be a member of the forum by the administrator, then one can set his username and password, and then after one can navigate within a form. Means कि अगर आपको इसमें यूज़ करना है, तो आपको इसको सब्सक्राइब करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, वंस यू आर सब्सक्राइब, देन यू आर अलाउड टू गेट एन एंट्री, एंड यू कैन just post your comments and your views there. Next is about OneDrive. Now, just like Google Drive, Like Google Drive is an online storage provided by Google. Likewise, OneDrive is earlier, which was known as SkyDrive or Windows Live SkyDrive. It is a free online storage facility which is offered by Microsoft. So पहले इसका नाम स्काई ड्राइव था, लेकिन बाद में इसका नेम चेंज हो गया वन ड्राइव से. मीन्स जस्ट लाइक गूगल ड्राइव वेयर यू कैन store all your photos, videos, documents and other important data, and that too free of cost. Also you can specify the files which you want to make it, you want to keep it privately, or you want to make it public, or you can share with the contacts. Again, obviously it is a password protected storage in the cloud that allows users to upload and synchronize data to cloud storage and then access it from web browser. So Microsoft, what is cloud? Cloud is basically an online storage area. So Microsoft originally offered 25 GB free for SkyDrive users, but then later on it reduced the amount to 7 GB. Next is cloud computing. What is the meaning of cloud computing? Cloud is something which is related to your online storage. कि जैसे आप अपनी फाइल्स, कंप्यूटर है आपके पास, अगर लैपटॉप है तो आप अपनी हार्ड डिस्क में जो लोकल स्टोरेज आपका डिवाइस है, दैट इज़ योर हार्ड डिस्क, एंड यू आर स्टोरिंग योर फाइल्स and your photographs there. So it is dependent on your that computer, that laptop, until you are turning it on. जब तक वो ऑन नहीं होगा आपका सिस्टम, तब तक आप अपनी फाइल को एक्सेस नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. बट ऑनलाइन अगर आप कुछ स्टोर कर रहे हैं तो आप wherever you are sitting, on whichever computer you are sitting, whichever device you are using, you can log in there and you can access your online files. So cloud is defined as the set of hardware, networks, storage, interfaces and services which combine together to deliver different aspects of computing as a service over a network or the internet. Like applications like email. तो ईमेल भी एक एप्लीकेशन है क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग का, कि आप कहीं पे भी बैठे हैं, किसी भी कंप्यूटर पे आप किसी के दूसरे के कंप्यूटर पे भी खोल सकते हैं अपनी. आप यू जस्ट नीड योर आईडी, पासवर्ड, लॉग इन एंड यू कैन ओपन इट. वेब कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग, कस्टमर रिलेशनशिप्स मैनेजमेंट, all run in cloud. Google Docs, Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, etc. So these are the example of low cost online storage for your users. Next is about e-greetings. Now an interesting topic, e-greeting. As the name suggests, e-greeting means electronic greeting. Like earlier, long time back, when we used to give birthday greeting cards to our friends and wishes cards to our relatives, we used to post it by postal services. But with the coming of internet, we are able to use e-greeting, and we are sending it over the internet to convey our wishes to a friend or relative. So this is the meaning of e-greeting, electronic greeting. So there are many sites on the internet which provide facility of free e-cards like www.123greetings.com, hallmark.com, archiesonline.com, americangreetings.com. Now what are the steps to send this card? आपने वेबसाइट खोलनी है ग्रीटिंग्स कार्ड की, कोई भी इन चारों में से खोल लीजिए. ऑप्शन चूज़ करिए कि आपको कौन सा ऑप्शन का कार्ड, आपको किस क्राइटेरिया का कार्ड, आपको किस कैटेगरी का कार्ड आपको भेजना है, ठीक है. देन क्लिक द डिज़ायर्ड कार्ड, यू कैन सी हियर इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो बर्थडे कार्ड्स हैं, ठीक है. आपने उसको क्लिक करा, क्लिक द पर्सनलाइज ऑप्शन. Scroll and access different pages to view different card designs. You'll get a number of card designs, beautiful designs. You can choose them. Then you can click on the play button also to view the animation effects and music. Then you will click on the send this e-card button. There will be a button send this e-card. Then a new web page will open. वहाँ पे आपको जिसको आपको भेजना है उस रिसिपेंट की डिटेल को एंटर करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स हिज और हर ईमेल आईडी यू हैव टू enter. You can also preview by the animation by clicking on the preview button. So after that, click on send now button, right? Then your e-card will be sent by it will be sent by email. Okay. Next is email. Earlier also I gave you a video about complete descriptive video about email, where I told you how to create your how to use your ID, how to send an email, how to add an attachment, how to download it, and how to forward a message, how to reply. So again I will be telling you about email. Email means electronic mail. It is the process of sending and receiving टेक्स्ट बेस्ड मैसेजेस ओवर द इंटरनेट. जैसे आप पहले लेटर्स लिखते थे, यू यूज टू राइट डाउन, पेन डाउन द लेटर and on a paper, and then put it in an envelope with the address, and then by applying proper postage stamps, then you go to a postal office and then deliver it. This was a very long process, but when internet came, then electronic mail came, and which just reduce this difficulty of sending mails, letters. So ईमेल के लिए आपके पास क्या होना चाहिए? ईमेल के लिए आपके पास ज़रूरी है आपकी आईडी और ईमेल एड्रेस, आपने जिसको भेजना है. You should have your email address, and to one you are sending to your friend, that person email address also you should have. Like they have told you, see, the email address consists of two parts separated by @ symbol. This is @ symbol, and an email cannot contain spaces. Okay, although it can contain special characters, lowercase, uppercase, but you cannot give any space. Like this is the email ID of kips@gmail.com. So you can see there are two parts of email. The first one, @ से पहले जो है वो आपका यूज़र नेम है, और जो @ के बाद है वो आपका डोमेन नेम है. यूज़र नेम का मतलब है द नेम ऑफ द पर्सनस अकाउंट. इट कैन बी रियल नेम ऑल्सो, और यू कैन यूज़ एनी टाइप ऑफ नेम यू कैन यूज़. डोमेन नेम, इट इज़ द लोकेशन ऑफ द पर्सनस अकाउंट, कि आपने कौन से उसमें अपनी आईडी बनाई है. लाइक अगर किसी की ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है अपनी पर्सनल, या आपने याहू में बनाया है या जीमेल में बनाया है, तो दैट इज़ डोमेन. Okay, next is an email address identifies where and location on the internet where email can be sent. The popular sites are gmail.com, Yahoo, and rediffmail.com. Next is adding an account, adding a new contact. न्यू कॉन्टैक्ट मीन्स जैसे भी आपने ईमेल भेजा है, ठीक है, वंस यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग ईमेल यू विल हैव सो मैनी कॉन्टैक्ट्स, सो विच विल बी वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू रिमेंबर. सो व्हाट हैपन्स कि ईमेल प्रोग्राम आपको एक फैसिलिटी देता है जिसमें हम अपने कॉन्टैक्ट्स को सेव कर सकते हैं. वी कैन सेव अवर कॉन्टैक्ट. नाउ हाउ डू यू सेव दिस? क्लिक ऑन द जीमेल ड्रॉप डाउन एरो एट द टॉप लेफ्ट बटन, सेलेक्ट द कॉन्टैक्ट्स, click on new contact button in the contacts window. Here you can see create contact. अगर आपको create करना है, ठीक है, न्यू बनाना है, तो आप यहाँ से create करेंगे, नेम डालेंगे, एंड जो मेन आप इसमें एंट्रीज डाल देंगे. कोई अगर आपको कंपनी का नेम डालना है, ईमेल एड्रेस, उसका कोई फ़ोन नंबर डालना है, देन यू कैन सेव इट. हियर इट इज़ given, save it. Next is adding the contact details. Once you have saved it and then you have come to know that the particular detail has been changed, how will you edit it? You can also modify the details. Log into your email account, click the contacts, contact पर गए, ठीक है, select the contact. suppose यहाँ पे given है अनुराग अग्रवाल, आपने इस पर क्या करना है, you have to just select it. Okay, a form will be displayed. Okay, एक फॉर्म आ जाएगा, उसमें लिखा है you want to delete it or you want to edit it, what do you want. so we can edit the details, ठीक है. then the form will be displayed, edit the details as per required, then click the save now tab. next is your about Deleting a contact. Now how do you delete a contact? I told you, you just have to you can delete a contact from the contacts list when you do not require it. Open, suppose there are some email addresses when we don't require it, we just open the contact list, select the contact that you want to delete, click the more drop down button, and then select the delete contact option. You can see in the fact file Jack Dorsey, he was the founder of Twitter. Okay, and you know about your Facebook, who was the founder of Facebook? That was Mark Zuckerberg. Next is groups. You can also create groups wherein you can just group the यू कैन क्रिएट ग्रुप. सपोज अगर आपके फैमिली की ईमेल एड्रेसेस हैं तो आप उसको फैमिली का ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स हैं तो आप उसको फ्रेंड्स का ग्रुप बना सकते हैं. व्हाट यू हैव टू डू इज यू हैव टू क्लिक द कॉन्टैक्ट लिस्ट, क्लिक द ग्रुप्स टैब, then select the create new, and the new group dialog box will appear and you have to just save it. Another thing which I told you previously, that attachment. What is an attachment? Attachment is any extra file when you are sending with your email. Okay, that particular file when you're sending with your email, that is your अटैचमेंट. और आपको कैसे पता चलता है कि अटैचमेंट आई है? ईमेल मैसेज में इनबॉक्स में उसके साथ एक पेपर क्लिप का आइकन, ये देखो, यू कैन सी हियर दैट पेपर क्लिप आइकन इज हियर, इट इज विजिबल. ओके, सो दैट इज योर attachments. Okay, thank you students.